All right, this is the entrance, and this is the room. Stairs over there, garage over there, and here's the kitchen, stove, dishwasher, window, the fridge needs some good cleaning inside and outside. Not too bad, just needs some detailed work. It's kind of streaky. Dishwasher, washer and dryer, utility room, make sure everything is cleaned, dusted properly, including sliding door area, windows, bathroom, and garage. Upstairs, make sure all dusted properly. Bathroom, 3 small bedrooms. That is it.